Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have with us the latest and the new Lenovo Tab P11 Pro. Now this box has not just the laptop, but it comes packed with the keyboard and the precision pencil from Lenovo. So this is a great unique product that we're going to unbox, find out what's inside it, and tell you all about it once you're done pressing the subscribe button and the notification icon on our YouTube channel. And if you're watching us on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, on any content there, our handle is @GreatLobbyist. Do check us out and let us know what you think. And we are there on the web as well, www.greatlobbyist.com. So I'm going to go down, unbox this bad boy, find out all things inside it, set it up, and come back to you with all the thoughts that I have about it so that you can make a decision whether this is a product for you. For me, my feel-good factor with working with Lenovo products, specifically their tablets, is fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to this. So keep watching. Hello guys, I'm back and we've just finished unboxing the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro. Now that box had three things in it. One was the tablet itself, second is the cover and the keyboard case which comes with it, and the new Lenovo Precision Pencil 2. Now, and the 20-watt adapter that comes with it. This is the pencil. Let's start with that, the small parts. Comes in a beautiful silicone case tucked in, and unlike its predecessor, it has two buttons here and no button at the back. At the back, you just need to pull this out, and it's a Type-C charging port, as you can see. And this slides in. This is a soft silicone case, comes with a double-sided tape so that you can stick it onto this bad boy right here, and it stays safe and neat right next to it. Now, there is a small little square thingy at the bottom, right here. So in case you wanna, on your desk or something, you just wanna pin it to your softboard in front of you, you can just pin it here, and it's easier to remove and take out with it. Or you can just take another double-sided tape and stick this right here as well at the bottom, at the back of the tablet, and you're good to go. And then next is the tablet itself and this case. Now this is very unique. Now the keyboard, beautiful fabric finish to it. It's got nice fabric, denim fabric cover in slate gray. Beautiful touchpad as well, which is very unique in tablet keyboards. Normally it doesn't come through. And then there is a back cover which is also magnetic, and it also becomes a kickstand. So snap it right here and here, and bang, and you are good to go. Now this is beautiful looking, slim, beautiful hardware. And once you want to tilt it up, just open this bad boy up, take the back side, tilt it, and you are good to go. Beautiful. Let's turn this on. We've already at least set up with the basic setup. There you go. And lovely. Now this is amazing. So Qualcomm Snapdragon 730GB, which is an octa-core processor with up to 2.2 gigahertz output. Android 10 could have been 11. I really hope they come with an upgrade for the add an Android 11 upgrade to this particular tab. It's a fantastic piece of hardware. It's a shame it doesn't have 11, but Android 10 isn't bad either. 11.5 inches of 2K display, which is giving you 2560 by 1600, and this is an OLED display with Dolby Vision. Now this is what makes it so beautiful. OLED displays with Dolby Vision, you're talking high quality, very crystal clear. The depth of the black, the brightness is 500 nits, and it's touch 10 points multi-touch. Nicely done. This is a very fantastic piece. If you look at just the tablet, you got two speakers on each side, which is going to give you a great sound output if you're watching something on it or listening to music on it. Two microphones on the top and at the bottom as well. So giving you that absolute crystal clear communication if you're on a video call with your friends and family or for business. Great stuff there as well. Now, when you talk about that kind of display, it's TÜV Rheinland certified for eye care. So you can be sure for long working hours that there is no blue light emission or low blue light emission. So eye care certification makes it beautiful. 6GB to 128GB storage option, 6GB on the ROM and 128GB on the RAM. So great stuff there on the storage. 15 hours of battery life. And, when it comes to playback, listening to music or entertainment, and if you are working and browsing, then it's about 8 hours. I'll say good enough for a one-day work. You don't need to recharge it. If you take it out from home in the morning with an average of 6 to 8 hours of working time, it should do fantastically well without having to recharge it. 4 JBL speakers, 2 on each side, and this is Dolby Atmos. So great quality sound is expected. Dual mic array, smart voice field with digital signal processing. The clarity of the sound from these is going to be fantastic. And we have a 13 megapixel camera on the rear and a 5 megapixel wide angle as well. They're both fixed focus cameras. In the front, you've got an 8 megapixel camera. Weighs literally nothing. With the keyboard, I'll say about 500 plus grams, but just the tablet itself is under 500 grams. So lightweight, no need to worry about it. And the one we have here is Slate Gray. It also comes in platinum gray as well. Fingerprint scanner. That's one beautiful part for security. Now, the button is integrated with the fingerprint scanner, the on-off switch, and on the top view, of course, of the volume toggles as well. But yes, on-off switch has the fingerprint scanner, but it also has face recognition as well, which giving you that extra layer of security if you're working outdoors and you want to leave it for a few minutes and come back, not having to worry about it. So great stuff there. Of course, USB Type-C charging, 3.2 Gen 2. The keyboard is absolutely laptop class, as I said. I mean, from the keypad to full full stretch. 3 mm key letter spaces, 1.3 mm keypad key travel to give you that absolute comfort and a typing experience. Now, when it comes to the Precision Pen, you can sketch, paint, or take notes. Absolutely fabulous experience. 4096 pressure sensitive points, tilt detection. Once charged, goes for all the way 100, 100 hours, and it works beautifully well with Bamboo Paper and Squid apps, which are pre-installed on the tablet. So guys, this is a fantastic piece of hardware from Lenovo. Something which I would love to have and love to keep if they'll allow me to give it. And I think for specifically if you're looking at education, I think students are being advised to buy tablets every year or every couple of years. This is a fantastic piece of hardware, especially with the 11.5 inches of screen and that kind of battery life. I think and with a full keyboard with touchpad, must have for students and even mobile business professionals as well. And do check out, let us know what you think about it, leave us a comment, and we give you a chance to win an amazing prize. This is your friend, the Great Lobby, signing off with Lenovo Tab P11 Pro, which comes with the keyboard, cloud cover, and Precision Pen 2. Keep yourself safe. Peace.